She tried to do the heart. Hey, is this double heart good?
Yes! It's good!
We're gonna do an unboxing video, yeah! Happy Dheeru is back!
Happy and Dheeru is back! Happy and Dheeru is back! Happy and Dheeru is back!
Can you do the floss? Let them see. Can they do the floss? Happy and Dheeru is back!
Happy and Dheeru are back!
Come on! Guys, we're gonna open this zero metal. I don't know what's that. Let's open this.
Let's go open it fastly. You can. Okay.
Not fast. Not that much fast. Let's open. Hey,
No! Take his nose.
no, let's rip it. Let's do it good.
Yeah, we can pick it up easily.
Okay, Todd, let's just rip it. I don't know how to rip it, but let's rip it because it's hard to open this. Okay? Good?
Good. Hi.
Okay.
We miss you.
Okay. Okay, I'll take this car off.
Can I have the cup, please?
Okay, get the car out there when I get it out. Okay, this is hard part. I'm gonna take it off.
Look at this guy. Why is it not going?
Okay, maybe. Let's do this.
Hey guys, look at my car. Papa.
Whoa! Yeah, you didn't pull this back. It could this. Hey,
Okay, I want to do it.
try it. It's so hard.
Look, what do we need to do?
You could this.
Like this?
Let's see. Why so hard? Whoa! It went so fast!
It's so fast.
Can it, Mr. Loopy-Loop?
Let's go to
This is fun hard.
Now it's good.
Let's fast forward this.
Fast forward. Actually.
This is hard. This is kind of hard.
Like this?
Got it.
See this? Okay, you fix this easily.
Okay.
We need to add trash.
Okay. Now I got it. You need to get this line and get this.
Like this, guys. We need to pick this and
This right.
Hey, I did it! Look at I just see the value of that.
Okay.
Easy, never squeeze. What does it matter, sir? We need to jump.
Okay.
Look. Could I have to get it lightly?
Okay.
Okay.
Real hard later.
And then he said,
No! Why did your father lost?
oh, I did it. Said, guys.
Let's see.
Wow! Yeah! Wow!
It didn't fall, but you got it. Let's try one more time. See this? Don't go. Don't go. Let's try one more time. Let's see. Let's do it.
I'm gonna do it one more time.
No. Move that T-Rex. Maybe we'll get it. Yeah. So, go fast. Go Hot Wheels. Yo, man. It was so awesome. And you ate the car like it didn't go. You leave it in full. No, I want to eat cars. God,
You don't do this!
come in. Give me the car. One second. You jumped inside forever. Bye. Let's save the car back. Let's save the. Bye. If you have a nice time watching this video, like, share, and subscribe.
And
Bye.
button!
No, don't smash your laptop. Okay, just hit